Hi friends, now we are going to discuss something related with select options. So this is something very preliminary but very useful. Okay, so you may have, suppose select, I want to put a select options. Okay, so if I go here, select options, and here I will put S user. Okay, and here I will mention for user 02 B name. Okay, and that's it. So this is my select option, and now suppose I'll just activate this, and once I get it activated. Okay, so here it's activated. Now what will happen is I'll execute this. Okay, so if you see, once I execute it, these things doesn't have description, so you can just go here. You have two options. You can go, so in S4 HANA they have this option where they have given the text element here, so you don't need to find here go to text element and all those things. So you just click here text element and you are here, and here you can mention this GDIC reference, whether, and we'll see whether it works or not. So here you can see it comes as like this. So now if you want to uncheck it, okay, and you save it, now it opens up. So here suppose you want to put user list, okay, and this one you keep it like this. Okay, and I click on activate. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll execute this now, and here you can see the name comes user list and all those things. So here I think by default it will show me that username. Now here, if I want, can I add the match code also, like this match code object uscr underscore addr. So the moment I add the match code object, okay, we can see that it will come with the with that particular search. So here you can see the search outcomes. This is very important, and these are useful stuff, and these are very useful and mundane, and you will be using it more or less very often. So it's not so complicated, but it's always good to have. Now here if you see, I required my requirement is suppose to make this particular thing mandatory. So how can I do it mandatory? So in order to do it mandatory, I just need to mention, okay, user this match object, okay, for this, and here if you want to select what are the different options, you can just go F1, okay, and here you can get all the search help related with this. So this one is not showing me correctly. Let me go and put the thing here, select options. Okay, so this one is also messed up. Okay, so select for this, I think the mandatory, and the and function F1, select options. So this is insert, select options. This is messed up. Now for, let me take this for this, and then we are going to do oh, not mandatory, my bad, it's obligated. Yeah, sometimes it's messy. You need to know the exact term. So the name is obligatory. So the moment I put obligatory means which is mandatory, but in a SAP you can see that this needs, you need to have entered. Now in this option, suppose here we see we don't want to give this thing, this interval. So how we can get it? So we can say no, this is very important, no intervals. The moment I put no intervals and I execute this, you see the interval is gone. Now we want to say that this one we don't want some options like no, what is it? No extension. Okay, so now no extension is something where I'll show you what is no extension. Execute it. No extension means we will not have this option, multiple selection. So if you don't want multiple selection, you can just put no extension, and that's it. We execute, and you see there is no extension. Now in this some cases you want to put no display. Now there is something no display. uh, Display. Mm, so let's see. No, no display. Yeah, there was display. No database selection. What is this? So no database selection basically is, but there is something no display for sure. I don't remember. Mm, no. Uh, Let me see. Let me put add function F1. Tell it to blow up after some time. So I'll put select options here, and I search, and here you can see select options. I click on it. Okay, no database selection, and I will say basic for the screen. Not not important. These are obligatory no display. Yeah, there was something no display. For some reason it was not showing. Only if I make it obligatory, it will not show. So makes sense. So if I put this no display and I execute, this is not displayed. Okay, so these are the different option for select options. So it's very useful. So you can play around with all these different permutation combination. So here you can see all the different, and then you have visible length, VLAN, and all those things you can add. So this is pretty useful, and I will recommend to follow this video and use it on your everyday work. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.